Namaste and welcome to Yoga with Namita. If you are new to channel, please consider subscribing it. I drop new videos every week where I demonstrate different asanas and different drills to unlock any asana. So in today's video, we are going to learn how to do Setu Bandhasana or bridge pose. Setu Bandhasana improves spinal flexibility. It strengthens back muscles, core muscles and glute muscles. It also relieves anxiety and stress. So let's see how to do Setu Bandhasana. Lying down on your back, bring your heels close to your hips. Hold your ankles if you can. If you are not able to reach your ankles, you can place your palms besides. Now, holding your ankles, make sure your glutes are engaged. With inhale, you're going to slowly start lifting your body from your hips. Lift. And then start moving your chest towards your chin. Stay here, keep breathing. To release, exhale, start bringing your hips down and relax. Setu Bandhasana is also good for thyroid and is also one of the prerequisite asana for practice Chakrasana or any backbends. I hope you found this video helpful, so do consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you.